upbeat music playing. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you navigate the wild world of consumerism without getting lost in the jungle of bad choices. Today, we're diving deep into the steaming, hot debate between two cleaning titans, the Bissell Steam Mop and the Newbealer Steam Mop and Handheld Cleaner. It's a showdown that's sure to make your floors squeaky clean and your wallet a little lighter. On the left, we have the Bissell Steam Mop, a powerhouse that promises to sanitize your floors like a germaphobe on a cleaning spree. And on the right, we have the Newbealer Steam Mop and Handheld Cleaner, a jack of all trades that's ready to tackle everything from your floors to your car's interior. Let's see which one comes out on top. First up, let's talk about the price. The Bissell is priced at $92, while the Newbealer is a bit pricier at $104. Reviewers appreciate the Bissell for being budget-friendly, highlighting its reasonable price and effectiveness, especially for cleaning grout. Newbealer, on the other hand, is seen as a more versatile option with many attachments, but some customers question if the extra cost is justified. Overall, Bissell is considered the better value for those focusing on floor cleaning, while Newbealer appeals to those wanting a multifunctional clean. Next, let's get down to the nitty-gritty: sanitization power. The Bissell claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria, making it a favorite among reviewers who commend its ability to sanitize and dry floors quickly. Meanwhile, the Newbealer offers powerful steam cleaning with temperatures reaching up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, which some users found effective for tough grime but questioned its overall ability compared to Bissell. If you want a steam mop that slays germs, Bissell is your go-to, while Newbealer unleashes steam to tackle dirt effectively. Now, let's talk about how quickly these bad boys heat up. The Bissell takes about 30 seconds to generate steam, which is decent. Reviewers appreciate its quick heating time, allowing for efficient cleaning. Meanwhile, the Newbealer impresses with a heating time of just 20 seconds, making it a favorite for those in a hurry. Reviewers note that the Newbealer is ready to rock almost immediately, making it great for quick cleanups. When it comes to versatility, the Newbealer takes the crown. It's an all-in-one steam mop and handheld cleaner with attachments for everything from windows to car upholstery. Reviewers highlight its lightweight design and various functionalities, although some mention it struggles with certain surfaces like glass. Meanwhile, the Bissell focuses on floor cleaning with a built-in easy scrubber, praised for effectively tackling tough spots. If you want a mop that can do it all, Newbealer is your go-to, while Bissell is here to save the day for floor cleaning. And let's not forget about weight. The Newbealer is lightweight at just 3.96 pounds, making it easy to handle and perfect for those awkward cleaning positions. Reviewers love this feature, noting its ease of use. Bissell, while slightly heavier, is still manageable. Users appreciate its sturdiness, but some might prefer the feather-like convenience of Newbealer. If you're lifting weights while cleaning, you might just end up with the cleanest house and the strongest arms in the neighborhood. In summary, both the Bissell Steam Mop and the Newbealer Steam Mop and Handheld Cleaner have their strengths and weaknesses. Bissell stands out for its affordability, sanitization power, and effectiveness on floors, while Newbealer shines with its versatility and quick heating time. However, some users have expressed concerns about Newbealer's performance on certain surfaces and its higher price point. Ultimately, the choice depends on your cleaning needs. So there you have it, folks. In the battle of the steam mops, it's a tough choice between the Bissell Steam Mop and the Newbealer Steam Mop and Handheld Cleaner. If you want a budget-friendly option that specializes in floor cleaning, Bissell is your buddy. But if you're looking for versatility and a speedy clean, Newbealer is your champion. Let us know in the comments which steam mop gets your vote. And remember, whether you buy smart or just buy, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome product comparisons. Until next time, keep it steamy, keep it clean, and keep buying smart.